So what is up, my fans? What's happening out there, man? Oh man, so I'm doing the walkthrough, as I said, of Rocketbird, and this guy's on fire. Wait, you can't go through there? Wow. Woo! Oh, is it me or these guys are getting harder, man? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh. You know what? They're getting much harder now. I need some... Wait, you see that? These guys are getting harder. I'm not even gonna ask questions now. Just taking your lives. Come on, bastard. Okay. See, everything is in all 2D, so it's like very... Sometimes you get stuck, like the smallest thing you can't see it, you know? Yeah. But how y'all doing out there, man? For those of you that try this game out, I know you're enjoying it, because it is nice. It is really the best 2D game I've played so far. Well, a shooter, that is. Let's follow his ass. I'm right above you, baby. I'm right above you, baby. Boy. Oh, this guy got the car. What the? Alright, let's go. Whoa. I think I'm gonna take my... Oh shit, this shit's running out. Looks like we messed this shit up. What up? I forgot about this shit flying. Oh. So we finished with that part of the mission. Let's see what's next. Let's see what's in the bag for us. I think I'm gonna use the shotgun. I like the shotty, man. Yo, do you guys know there's a co-op mode in this? So I'm gonna be playing my a buddy of mine. We're gonna be playing co-op. I wanna see how it runs. I gotta see how this runs. Okie dokie. Up here. You know what? Let's. Yeah, I was gonna wait for him. He got me. Alright, you know what? That's right. For being a little bitch. Alright, let's go. Hey buddy, I just want to talk. What? Wait. What? Okay. Oh, these guys are deaf. I swear. Alright, there you go. Oh crap. I think I blew it. I'm not supposed to come down here yet. Let's see. Okay. That's an elevator. Okay, cool. Okay, I should have. Yeah, I'm missing a lot of shit. Oh. What the hell is the matter with you? You got the blue car. Okay. Okay, what the hell is that? Okay, no problem. Go down. Okay. I guess I didn't miss anything after all. Let's do this. So this needs the green card. Leave no penguin alive. Alright, let's go. Where you at, bastards? Oh man, for those of you guys that lives in New York and around the East Coast, there's gonna be a blizzard coming soon, the next one. So have all your essentials in your house. Be careful out there. This guy's dumb, right? How is he? You know what? Being a jackass. Oh. That's good. Okay, we got the green. Let's go back. Looks like we're gonna have to pay those bad boys a visit. Oh man. Clickety clank. Let's do this.
I can't believe I fell for that. I must be getting old.
Wow.
Welcome to Rocketbirds Hardboiled, chicken. You disappoint me. This was too easy. Still wearing the black star, I see. You make it sound like a bad thing. But enough talk. You have the rest of your life to talk. And if you don't feel like talking, I will make you talk.
Damn. Oh. It's like Rambo. Wow. He was an ugly chicken. Did he break him? Did he break him? Let's see how hard this chicken is, or if he is a real chicken. I can't stand this guy how he's talking like that. Sound like he's constipated. God. So I'm gonna be ending this soon. Use my brain bugged up. What is he, a chicken hawk? Look at his color. He looks like a chicken hawk. But yeah, I'm gonna be ending it here, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for following me. Come back and you're gonna see what's in the box or whatever is up in there. These damn bugs or whatever is there. So, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care, y'all. Peace.